Greetings everyone, this is Ken for the Moonlight Shop. This beautiful fairy is part of the Protectors of Nature bundle, which also includes a dragonfly and the dragon guardian pendants. I really want to focus on the fairy, spelled F-A-E-R-I-E, in this video review. Fairies are magical beings that live in nature. They will help you with your nature and element spells. Fairies don't naturally trust humans. You have to show them you have good intentions and are friendly by offering food and wearing your fairy pendant. With time and patience, your pendant will have your energy, and then you can put it with your offerings. This way, the fairies will get to know and trust your energy. When you are doing nature magic or need help from the fairies, wear this pendant. This pendant is handcrafted from high-quality nickel and lead-free pewter. This will ensure that you get the best possible quality so you can wear it as much as you like, for as long as you like, all day long, without worrying about allergies or durability. When you order from the Moonlight Shop, you are automatically covered by their 100% happy guarantee. That means if you're not 100% happy, you can return the item within 30 days for a full refund of the item cost. So check it out, the Protectors of Nature bundle series, which also includes the Dragonfly and the Guardian Dragons. Available only from the Moonlight Shop. That's one word, themoonlightshop.com. This is Ken for the Moonlight Shop. Take care.